Attach the keyboard back into the top case. Carefully pull the keyboard cable through and put the keyboard cover bracket back. Install the 9 screws in the keyboard assembly. Attach the foil tape to the keyboard. Attach the traceball FFC to the top assembly. Connect the traceball FFC. Attach mylar tape to the traceball FFC. Put the button board back in the top assembly. Install the 2 screws on the button board. Attach the foil tape as shown. Put the holder cable and ground cable back in the top assembly. Connect the holder cable to the connector board. And then put the connector board back. Put the docking guide pin bracket back. Pay attention to the cables. You can use tweezers to clip the cables as shown. Install the 2 screws in the docking guide pin bracket. Attach the docking holder cover. Install the 2 screws in the connector board module. Place the USB board in the top case and arrange the USB board cable along the cable guides. Install the 2 screws in the USB board. Connect the keyboard FFC to the LAN board and secure the FFC lock. Then place the LAN board in the docking station top assembly. Install the 3 screws in the LAN board. Connect the connector board cable to the LAN board. Connect the USB board cable to the LAN board and place the cable along the guide. Connect the traceball FFC to the LAN board. Connect the button board FFC to the LAN board. Attach the bottom case assembly to the docking station. Press the bottom case carefully until you hear clicking sounds. Install the 4 screws in the docking station unit. Place the pad LCD bracket on the panel. Install the 6 screws on the pad LCD bracket. Arrange the antenna on the pad LCD bracket along the guides, then secure the antenna with ESD tape. Attach all foil tape and mylar tape to the pad LCD bracket. Connect the LVDS cable to the panel. Install the GPS mouse in the tab unit. Attach the tape and foil to the GPS mouse antenna. Connect the GPS cable to the GPS board. Install the GPS module and the microphone module in the tab unit. Attach the GPS module and the microphone module. Connect the antenna to the GPS module and place the antenna along the cable guides. Lift the shielding, then install the camera module along the guides. Install the 2 screws to the camera module. Insert the main board from the edge with the G sensor, then make sure the main board does not interfere with the antenna, FFC, or other cables. Then place the main board back on the tab unit. Install the 7 screws in the main board. Connect the camera cable to the main board. Connect the microphone cable to the main board. Connect the GPS mouse cable to the main board. Connect the touch lens FFC to the main board, then fasten the cable lock. Connect the LVDS cable to the main board. Connect the power adapter cable to the main board. Place the speaker module on the tab unit. Then connect the speaker cable to the main board. Install the 4 screws to the speaker module. Attach the mylar tape on the speaker cable. Reconnect the camera cable to the camera. Before you place the camera module, note guide as shown. Place the camera module on the tab unit along the guide as shown, then connect the camera cable to the main board. Secure the camera cable with mylar tape. Connect the USB board cable to the USB board. Connect the USB cable to the USB board. Place the USB board on the tab unit as shown. Then connect the USB cable to the main board. Install the 3 screws on the USB board. Install the USB cable along the cable guide and secure the USB cable with mylar tape. Install the SSD on the main board. Install 1 screw on the SSD. Cover foil on SSD as shown. Before you install the 3G module, please check and see if there is any damage to the thermal pad. If the thermal pad is damaged, you need to replace it with a new pad. Install the 3G module on the main board. Install 1 screw on the 3G module. Connect the antenna to the 3G module. Install the wireless LAN card in the socket on the mini card. Connect the mini card FPC to the mini card. Then fasten the cable lock. Connect the wireless antenna to the mini card. And fasten the antenna with mylar tape. Then place the mini card in the tab unit. Install and secure the 3 screws to the mini card. Cover the screws with foil as shown. Connect the mini card to mainboard FPC cable to the mainboard. Install the thermal module in the tab unit. Then connect the thermal module cable. Install the CPU shielding in the tab unit. Connect the battery cable and place the battery back in the tab unit. Note the locking latch's location around the pad cover, total of 25 locking latches.